Welcome back to Family Resume. Today we're in Fort Smith, Arkansas. It's a very, very rainy day at LaHuerta. Gonna eat some good Mexican food. It's probably not the day to be out, best day to be out, but we don't want to sit and fight all day. So. It's good. It's very good. Well, we've put a dent in the salsa. How's yours? Still munching on it? I'm full already. I haven't even got our food. So now we got queso to fill up on that too, before we even get our food. So you said that was the best cheese enchilada you've had? Okay. Well, now we know what your favorite is. It's a lot of rice. Oh, I ordered too much. Why? Okay, we put a dent in our food, but I think I am going to stop before I make myself miserable. To-go box. Have it for lunch tomorrow. It was very good. Well, that was really good. I'd hoped the rain would stop while we were eating, but it didn't. So, run into the car.